Most folks think car trouble is just bad luck. They blame it on age, the weather, or a bad tank of gas. But let me tell you, after decades under the hood, I've learned that there's usually more to it than that. Cars don't just act up for no reason. There's a pattern, a cause, something behind the scenes that dealerships won't always tell you. Sometimes it's neglect, sometimes it's cheap parts, and sometimes it's just the way modern cars are built, designed to need constant attention. Know what's really going on, and you'll save yourself a pile of money and a whole lot of frustration. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe, and let's get started. It's not just wear and tear. Parts wear out. That's just how it goes. Belts crack, filters clog, fluids run low. That's all normal. But if your car keeps breaking down time and time again, especially after repairs, something ain't right. It's not just bad luck. More often than not, it's sloppy maintenance or a problem that never got fixed properly in the first place. Ignoring the real cause just means you'll be back in the shop sooner than you'd like, throwing more money at the same issue. Maintenance gets skipped, even by shops. You wouldn't believe how many folks think they're staying on top of maintenance just because they get regular oil changes, but they forget about the rest. Brake fluid, transmission flushes, power steering fluid, all of it matters. I've seen cars roll in with shiny new alternators, only to find out the battery cable was loose the whole time. That's a surefire way to burn through parts faster than you need to. Some mechanics take the lazy approach, swapping out whatever part throws a code without really tracking down the root cause. We call that parts cannon repair. Keep replacing things until something sticks. But that's no way to treat a machine. A good mechanic takes the time to diagnose it right the first time, not just fire off parts and hope for the best. You know, one of the sneakiest problems I come across is bad grounding or failing connectors. Your car, well, it relies on a tangled web of sensors and wires, and if even one of them isn't making a solid connection, things start acting up. You might get misfires, no starts, or random warning lights. And honestly, half the time, nobody traces it back to the real cause. Don't let a loose wire send you on a wild goose chase for expensive repairs. Just clean your grounds, check your connectors, and make sure your battery terminals are clean and snug. Really, a little attention here can save you from a whole mess of headaches down the road. You spot a bargain part online and think, that'll save me $50. But let me tell you, cheap parts often mean cheap materials. I've seen aftermarket sensors spit out bad readings straight out of the box, spark plugs that misfire within days, and belts that start screaming like a banshee after just a week. Sometimes spending a little extra upfront saves you from buying the same part twice and dealing with the hassle of fixing it again. Ignoring small symptoms leads to big repairs. That little rattle, that sluggish crank on a chilly morning, that odd smell creeping in. Most breakdowns start as tiny warnings. Your car doesn't just fall apart overnight. It gives you signs. Ignore them, and you'll be calling for a tow before you know it. But catch them early, and you can fix things cheap. I've seen folks waste thousands on repairs that could have been handled with a little attention and a wrench at the right time. Lack of communication between you and your car. Your car has a language of its own. Not words, but sounds, smells, and the way it moves. If something starts feeling off, even just a little, that's your warning sign. But too many folks just crank the radio up and hope it disappears. That's the quickest way to end up stuck on the side of the road, wishing they had listened while they still had the chance. A rattling heat shield today could turn into an expensive repair tomorrow. Always pay attention to what your car is telling you. That check engine light? It's part of that conversation too. A quick scan with an OBD2 reader can give you clues before things get worse. Ignore the codes, and a small fix can turn into a costly repair. Pay attention, and you might save yourself a pile of money. The reason your car keeps breaking down isn't some mystery. It's neglect, ignored warnings, cheap parts, and sometimes a mechanic rushing through the job. Cars don't just fail out of nowhere. There's always a reason. Learn to listen to your car, pay attention to the little signs, and don't be afraid to ask questions. A trusted mechanic is worth their weight in gold, but a little knowledge on your end can make all the difference. Whether it's reading an OBD code or spotting worn-out hoses before they turn into a breakdown, knowing what's under the hood puts you in control.